Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Deegee Chef from the stables. We are doing a quick, complete meal by itself. We're doing water chestnuts, mushroom with red peppers in a hoisin sauce with rice. Very complete, very tasty, quick to make. Hope you enjoy it. I love doing this when I'm short of time, and it's quite complete by itself. Cheers. On extreme popular request, here's yet another quick vegetarian combination that we use often at home. It has never failed me and the family loves it. We have the ingredients all lined up. Very important to visualize your product before you start cooking. And we call this 𝗵𝗲𝗲𝗀𝗲. Everything must be done in the way, in the manner, with all the ingredients beforehand. So if you see what we've done, we've chopped up red peppers because this will add color and a different flavor to the dish. Water chestnut will add crunchiness. Mushrooms will give it the earthiness. And we have all the ingredients that we need to make this happen. So very important to pre-prep and plan the dish as you visualize it. The sequence of cooking is important. 2 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, half a cup of onion chopped. Saute for about a minute. Then add the sliced mushrooms. Cook for another 1–1.5 minutes till the mushrooms are dry. Putting in mushrooms first is a very good idea because mushroom tends to lose water and also caramelizes better. So if you give mushroom enough time on the pan with oil, without oil, you get a much better flavor and the water doesn't damage the dish. Then add the sliced water chestnuts and red peppers. Cook for a minute. And then add my secret ingredient, and I'll talk about that in a bit. Stir for about 30 seconds on high heat and add half cup of water. As you envision a dish, it's also important to know what's doing what to the dish. As you saw, I put a bouillon for the stock to make up for the lack of a good stock. The cube is an intense flavoring agent which not only thickens but also has salt, and the soya sauce is also very salty. So you must be very careful when you're adding salt because it already has 2 layers of salt in the dish. Finish with soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of corn flour slurry, garnished with chopped green onions. This is absolutely simple and drop dead gorgeous, guys. Do try it. Hope the vegetarian followers and lovers have a good meal. Cheers. See you soon.